So I get people that ask, like, is there an age where it doesn't make sense to do this? As you get into your later 60s, it does not make as much sense. The life insurance is just too costly. But here's what is very common, and I'm skipping ahead a little bit, but if you have a younger spouse, a healthier spouse, kids, employees, anybody you have an insurable interest on, doesn't matter your age. Anybody can own a policy, okay? And you own the account, you own the cash. Someone has to be insured that you have an insurable interest on. So I'm going to show you how other entities do that here in a second. Because the next question is, who's doing this, right? If you're not doing this and you don't necessarily know someone directly that has been, who is? If you look at the top 1% wealthiest people in America today, they currently own over 1/3 of the reserves inside of the insurance industry. 1% of people in this country own that many billions and billions of dollars. If you look at the top 10% wealthiest people in America, they currently own 60% of the reserves inside of the insurance companies. And guess what all those banks do that we take all of our life savings to and have done for years? You know what they do before they loan money out? BOLI, bank-owned life insurance. Just like any company, you as a head of a family or head of a company can buy policies on someone else that you have an interest on insuring their lives, like a key person insurance or something like that, and you own all the finance, you own the cash. They're just the insured. So, you know, have you ever known someone that goes to a bank and then very quickly becomes a VP of the bank? Like it's like, you know, if you're there for 6 months, they're like, hey, here's a piece of paper, certification, and you are now a vice president teller. And as soon as you have a VP designation within the bank, they can now buy a policy on your name as a key person. And even if you leave that bank, they still own the policy. They don't care. You pass away as an employee, they make the death benefit goes to them. And ultimately, they own the cash. So they stuff as much possible cash.
I would love to share with you everything that I have learned with my mentor, because I know it's going to transform your life the same way that I have transformed my life as well. So I will see you on the next event.